Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to Udimi. This is going to be a Udimi tutorial on how to purchase traffic to your link, your business, whatever it is that you're promoting. There are two ways you can do that. You can do one where you type up your own email, your own ad copy, and then send that out to send out that traffic using your message, or you can leave that up to the people who what we call vendors. Each person here is a vendor that you can use, and what they do is they usually they already have a huge audience. So what they do is they send traffic from their audience or their traffic sources to your link. So there are two ways you can do that. This right here where it says find seller, you can set up, there are different things that you can look at, max price, whether it's 40 cents a click, all the way up to higher ones. And you can also do ratings, whatever it is that you want to do, any niche, whether it's marketing, financial, health, mobile, social, crypto. So you can do that. I usually recommend most people just go to right here to the solo deals, and right over here it'll say how much each person charges. So this guy right here does 54 cents per click. So, and then you can also do cheaper ones like this guy I've used a lot, and you see the slider here. This is how you can choose, and as you notice right down here, the price amount will change. So this guy does from 50 visitors all the way up to 1,000 visitors. So you can choose which way you want to do it. If you don't have a lot of money, you just want to spend $23 or $33 for 75. 100 is only $43. So you can choose which way you want to do. So here we go. Well, I'm going to show you right now how you can get traffic to your opportunity. So right here you would type in the link you want, whatever it is. You can just type it in there. You can do two things. You can have them write the ad copy to send to their list, or you can choose one of your own text ads that you made yourself, like that. So I usually just give out a link. I will sometimes write my own content, but if you're a beginner and you don't know how to do that yet, that's fine. So right here where it says text ads, this is where you can add a new message. So you can do a subject line. It's just like an email, and just do the subject line, and you can do all your normal things like font size, the type of font you want to use. It's your standard email type thing. So that's how you do an order. So we're going to go back to solo deals. We'll just choose this guy right here. As you can see, I've done business with him before. So you select how many visitors you want, and then you hit add to cart, and you can choose different ways to pay. You can, I don't know 100% sure, but you'll know once you do the purchase. You can use, I think you might be able to use Bitcoin, but you can also use a debit card or PayPal. So whatever is best for you, you can pay that way. So that's pretty much it. That's how you purchase an ad on Udimi. That's how you get traffic. You can get paid traffic to your link. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that like button if you liked the video. If you have any comments below, feel free to leave a comment. If you want to subscribe to my channel, there's a subscribe button below, and you can also make sure you hit that notification bell next to it, so you'll get notified when I upload new content. I've said in another video recently that I am really going to push myself this spring and summer to make a lot of videos, and I really want to build up my channel. And my channel's always been about helping people, and that's what I'm going to continue to do. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye.